743 wheel right now. Stock internals. Right now, plan this next year is to sleep the engine and go down. Go down a couple more. Nice McLaren.
Today we are here at the Tourq'd meet. It's a toy drive for Christmas, and I gotta say there is a ton of really cool cars here today. So many nice cars, trucks, transformer type things, fire departments here, it's awesome. So I'm not gonna say much except for look at all these awesome cars. We're gonna find the coolest one and showcase it, and maybe we can see if we can get a interview from the driver again, because that's pretty cool. So let's begin, shall we?
I'm Lou, aka Levia STI. I'm from Baytown, Texas. This is my 2012 STI, built by CP Motorsports. It has a 6466, stage 3 Brand Pro cams, 2150 injectors, two 450 watt bore fuel pumps, a Radium tank, front mount intercooler 4-inch, ported heads, valves, retainers. It's capable of making up 850 to the wheel. Shout out to Arcade Titanium for this beautiful arcade piping intercooler. It took me about 2 years to get it back. My project car has always been my dream car. It's hella expensive, but if you dream it, you can make it into reality. I fell in love with the sound, the iconic rumble sound. My brother got into that, and he got me into it, which is a funny thing because he owns an Evo, and I decided to go with the Subaru. So we're both different worlds, but yeah, eventually when I fell in love with that sound, I was like, I need to get an STI, no matter what. It's one of my dream cars, and obviously hard work pays off. Obviously, yeah, you can see the drag slips. Yeah, I do. Whoever pulls up gets the sauce. It's pretty much it in the end of it. Like I said, this is my second build. It gets hella expensive, and build it up right, and I'm gonna take care of it this time.
My name is Joseph Gardner from Cypress, Texas. This is my 2017 Mustang. It started out as a GT Premium. Did a lot of modifications to it. Target top conversion. Stage 3 Roush. Yeah, ton of work to the car. As you can see, this is my baby and my showpiece. So 743 wheel right now. A Roush supercharger, return fuel system, upgraded fuel rails, 1050X fuel injectors. It's doing its thing out there. Stock internals. Right now, plan this next year is to sleep the engine and go down. Go down a couple more. Nice McLaren.
About 6 months. Nice. I got it back in June. Let's see if I'd fit in it, because I'm a big dude. I mean, you don't know.
Yeah.
And I ended up loving the color. It was the right price, so I went home with it that day. From 55 to about 60, it shakes the hell out of you. Once you get past 60 miles an hour, it levels out. When I kill this engine, I'll probably drop, I don't know, maybe an LS in it. Really just. And then like, also that.
Okay. These just put a boost mode, turbo boost engine.
That was the other idea. Is a 1100cc. I'm pretty sure my lawnmower's got more power than that.
Got him! I'm amazed you were able to get up to 50, bro.
I've been 77.
So here we've got this really unique Subaru K-Truck. Awesome green color, really cool owner. And I just had to show it off because it's super cool. You don't see these very often.